Now, the second way, physical properties. How does that line up?
Right, this is looking at how the material acts. The first physical layer is the lithosphere. It's about 100 kilometers thick, sometimes more under continents.
And what's that made of?
It includes all of the crust, plus the very uppermost rigid part of the mantle. The key word here is rigid. It's brittle.
Okay, rigid lithosphere on top. What's underneath?
Under the lithosphere is the asthenosphere. This goes from about 100 down to maybe 350 kilometers deep.
But its property.
It's still solid rock, chemically part of the mantle, but it's much softer. It's hot enough and under enough pressure that it can flow much more easily, almost like very stiff putty.
So the rigid lithosphere plates are essentially floating or sliding on this softer asthenosphere.
That's the basic idea, yeah. That difference in rigidity is crucial for plate tectonics.
Fascinating. What's below the asthenosphere?
Below that is the mesosphere, another huge chunk of the mantle, about 2,500 kilometers thick.
Is it soft like the asthenosphere?
No. It's solid and stronger than the asthenosphere because the pressure increases significantly. It can still flow, but split into two parts. First, the outer core. It's about 2,250 kilometers thick.
And this part is?
This part is liquid, molten iron and nickel. The temperature wins out over pressure here, just enough to keep it liquid.
The liquid outer core and the very center.
The inner core, a solid ball with a radius of about 1,230 kilometers.
Solid, even though it must be incredibly hot.
Exactly.